I really enjoyed all these speeches by different speakers. Very, very interesting. I very much appreciate. Then my own case. Now, I just want to make a few points. Number one, I think Shankaracharya, or someone mentioned, economy important, money important, but equally the spirituality is very, very important. That we must, we must know that. And the reason is simple. We have this physical and mind. For comfort, for physical, money can provide physical health, physical sort of comfort. But mental comfort, from money, you can't get sort of mental comfort. Of course, those people who have plenty of money, they have certain kind of a feeling, oh, I'm rich. But that kind of mental sort of satisfaction or mental comfort is actually illusion. Reason, I met number of, I think very rich, people, I think billionaire, very rich, but as a person, very unhappy person. So that clearly shows inner peace, cannot buy money. If we go to supermarket and shouting, I want to buy peace of mind, people may laugh. So peace of mind must develop within ourselves. And peace of mind cannot be produced by injection, by surgery. So peace of mind must develop within ourselves. So here, for mental comfort, long-lasting mental comfort, spirituality is very, very relevant, very necessary. When I say spirituality, not necessarily with religious belief. As I mentioned yesterday, the secular ethics, it's something universal. Not necessarily is related with religion. I think secular ethics, even animal appreciate. Animal, no faith, no religion. But even they appreciate kindness, sense of concern, or compassion. So these are universal. So that's, I think, very, very important. So I want to share with you, we paying only money matter, economy matter, it is, I think, not complete. Our life, happy life, something very sort of, I don't know the word, a complex one. So we have to take care about our body, and equally, even more important, we have to take care about our emotions, our mental functions. That's very important. This is one thing. The second, I think mainly for physical comfort. Now the ecology is very important. In many parts of the world are really facing scarcity of water. In Africa or in many places. So therefore, taking care about ecology is very, very essential. This small planet is the only our home. Moons looks in night, in dark moon, it looks beautiful. I think through centuries, people who are making poem on these things, usually refer moon something very beautiful. But if we really try to go there, settle, horrible. No possibility to live. So only this small planet, this is our only home. We have to take care. And we have the responsibility to think the future generations of comfort. So therefore, the special care about ecology is very essential. Now here, this continent, Himalayan, mountains, snow mountains, and what is called glaciers, and forest, very important for ecology of this continent, this part of the continent. So we need a special care about preservation of forest and also water. Now, when we talk about water, Ganga River, of course, from spiritually, something very, very secret. In any way, this water, or whether called water or something Ganga, or some people used to mention, make distinction, isn't it? Water and Ganga, isn't it? So in any way, it appears to me just water. So in any way, all these major rivers are, I think, several crores of people's life depend on these rivers. So we must take special care about these rivers. One thing. Then when we think about these things, then most of the rivers which cover not only India, but also say like Mekong River, and also Yellow River, and also you see one Sindh River or something. You see, go to Pakistan, all these major rivers, which I think over 1 billion human beings' life depend. These rivers, ultimate source, come from Tibet. So now, warming rate, because the rate of warming, global warming, global level, according to some scientists, 0.1. The rate of warming in Tibetan plateau, 0.3. So because of dry climate and high altitude, the rate of melting snows and also ice, these things are quite rapidly. Within my lifetime, I noticed there's a much change. In early period, very full snow mountains. The later part, much reduced. Now Brahmaputra, with just beside Lhasa, so the people coming from there, they mentioned to me the Brahmaputra rivers much reduced. So these are serious matter. So therefore, some Chinese ecologists, they describe Tibet as a third pole, because you see, the effect to global warming from Tibetan plateau as much as North Pole and South Pole. So they describe Tibet third pole. So we really need special care. I hope it's the Chinese government, communist government. Previously, like Soviet Union, they don't care about ecology. Now, because of their own experience, they are showing some interest or some concern about the preservation of ecology. I hope they further more serious to pay attention. This is our hope, our prayer. It's an Indian thought, Indian jewel. Ahimsa, religious harmony. You see, these really, as I mentioned yesterday, really, I think, great potential to help humanity to build happy, harmonious, friendly society, compassionate society, non-violent society. So India have great potential to help from that way. Meantime, within India, there are still drawbacks. Poverty, ignorance, illiterate, these things. And beside that, some part of cultural heritage actually outdated. This, I think, we must realize this, recognize these things. And time is changing. The world situation is changing. So therefore, some of the drawbacks sort of habit, we must pay more attention to change these things so that we can better position to offer some good things to the rest of the world. I think that's very important. So these points I want to share with you. And thank you, that's all.